Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Huntley, local and long distance movers near me. Using our long distance movers, you get the services you require for a much simpler move. Hiring our crew to assist you means your cross country relocation is going to go smoothly. With the right moving services to help you, any kind of move, big or small, becomes so much simpler. Our experts take care of all the needed moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and one time move and upfront pricing. It's not easy to rationalize the price of working with an Illinois moving company. However, if you start to notice the conveniences, the expense seems to be well worth it. The time savings you gain may make hiring a moving company among the best decisions you've made. Eliminating the heavy lifting also provides another benefit you get from working with the right local movers. With our qualified movers, you get very efficient moves from beginning to end. 3 movers understands how to simplify your move. We can easily complete even the largest move in only a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Huntley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.